Social media interactions become interesting only when it is two-way. You must get a fair chance to interact with the person you follow or the person whose videos you watch. I have started this new initiative, Ask Milestones to Wealth Anything, AMA in short, through which all of you can stay in touch, ask me questions you like to ask, clear your doubts on personal finance, learn more about Milestones to Wealth and about our PMS products, and stay connected. So, this brings us closer. I am able to be closer to you, to help you in whatever way I can. You feel closer by asking whatever you wish to, and we grow together, helping each other along the way. So fill in this form and stay connected through Ask Milestones to Wealth Anything. Friends, now we are going to speak on the topic, does it make sense to invest in India or abroad? I know a lot of people are die-hard fans of investing only in India. The belief is that we are growing better, we have a bigger pool of companies to invest in, and it makes a lot of sense to invest in India rather than outside. There is another school of thought which thinks that the rupee will anyway continuously depreciate, so investing abroad makes a lot of sense. You must not be left out of that opportunity. But I think that both schools sometimes can become very extreme, and that tends to influence others also. A more nuanced and balanced approach would be to follow an asset allocation approach between domestic equity and global equity. Within your exposure to equity as an asset class, you should carve out something to invest outside of India, more from a perspective of what you can buy there which you can't invest here, businesses which are sunrise industries globally which are yet to reach India, and economies where you are able to participate in certain type of investment opportunities which are normally not available in India. Remember one thing, a lot of sunrise industries in India today are invested into only by venture capitalists. It's only with private equity. So those opportunities are not coming to retail investors or even HNIs. So if you are one of those who want to participate in a diverse set of opportunities which you are not easily accessing in India or which are not available to India and Indian investors at reasonable valuations, then you need to look outside. A simple example would be whether you can invest in a semiconductor company in India profitably, whether you can invest in a financial platform in India profitably, whether you could buy a credit card company which has a wider reach, whether you can bet on stock broking, zero brokerages in India. These are some of the examples. Whether you can bet on a cruise liner company. There are a number of such opportunities that are opening up to us. In renewables, in hydrogen, in all the new themes that we want to participate in. Investment opportunities are not easily available in India, but the same opportunities are available globally. Then there is the relative valuation of many companies in the consumption space. For example, you can buy the shares of most MNCs from their global parents at a far lower valuation than you buy in India, and indirectly you participate in their India story also at a lower valuation. Now this theory has not worked so well in some investments like Suzuki and even some Western investments. But I still think there is validity in this thought process and there is merit in this investment approach. Only you need to be very selective in the kind of companies that you choose. You should not choose a company which does well only in India and doesn't do well in the rest of the world. You need to have companies which are outstanding, doing very well in multiple geographies and available at reasonable valuations. And that opportunity is available in the global market, which means that you must be looking out for them and you must participate in them when you sight or spot a good opportunity. Even today, there are numerous other global opportunities where the stocks are trading at way lower valuations than their domestic peers. The point I am trying to make is carve out a small part of your equity portfolio and experiment in these opportunities. For all you know, investing abroad may grow on you and these opportunities may look far more lucrative than betting on Indian companies. Thank you for watching this video.